Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the not top 10, a 10 of the top AI coins by market cap. We're going to start with, because we did near ICP, Render, and Tau last week, we're going to continue with Fetch, GRT, AKT, AIOZ, Grass, Virtual, ARKM, GLM, LPT, and then we end it with TRAC and number 10. Let's get straight into it. Fetch against BTC. So here we are for Fetch. On the daily, we are under the skinny pink line, which means that more likely than not, we are going to continue lower. That's our take for Fetch BTC. We don't see any signs of a reversal. So yeah, I will preach caution though. Even when things start turning bearish, right? I think we're going to drop here, right here, and then here, and potentially here. So you look at the noisy areas here. Boing, 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 around these areas. So I'm still of the opinion that Fetch BTC will eventually drop lower. Fetch against USD. Here we are for Fetch. We still have these two targets at 61 and 23 cents. So until we take out these highs, we are still bias bearish for Fetch USD because we're still under the skinny pink line. Unless we break convincingly towards the upside, right? I'm still of the opinion that Fetch USD will hit towards 61 cents and then it will hit back towards 23 cents. Potentially dropping a little bit lower first before a potential reversal towards the upside. So as it stands, 60 and then 23. This is going to be brutal though because we're at $1 right now. So if you were to drop to 23 cents, it will be 83%. It'll be brutal. So again, secure our profits if you ever go on a trade for Fetch. Some. You don't have to sell all if you don't want to. The graph, GRT. So against BTC, the graph is, it's down. It's just down, down, down. Again, as long as we're under the skinny pink line, we remain with our bearish bias for GRT. Against USD, GRT is okay. We've hit targets over here. We had a rising channel. It dropped. It hit 16 cents. Oh, it rose a little bit higher. Hit the skinny pink line as a resistance. Pum! We drop even lower for GRT. So for GRT, yeah, we hit targets. We have hit targets. And let's do it here. Yeah. The rising channel. If the preceding trend is bearish, the subsequent trend, more likely than not, will be bearish. So, yeah. Anyway, anything for GRT? Yeah, nothing much. We didn't really spike out convincingly though. So, yeah, it's a it's a no-go for us, right? The goal was actually here when the rising channel was formed. So, anyway, it is what it is. Where is this? Akash Network, AKT against BTC. Okay, we don't have much. So we look at Akash against USD. So Akash, again, we drop under the skinny pink line. We pop back up. Is this sustainable? Or are we going to get, smashed back down? Right. Any signs of a bullish continuation? New all-time highs? Not too sure. I'm not too sure. We could just as well zip down. But yeah, in terms of chart pattern, there's just nothing much for Akash Network. AIOZ, USDT. If you look at AIOZ, same thing like Akash, right? Hit the skinny pink line, zip back up. I would prefer, to be honest, for AIOZ to drop, really truly drop, before reversing back up, right? This would be more sustainable, I would say, in the long term. So yeah, again, for me, there's just nothing much for AIOZ. Grass, okay, Grass just got listed. And if you look at Grass, right, it's a little bit difficult to make a move at the moment. Maybe we get an, again, squeeze here, ABCDE, hopefully. We could also get a falling channel, but yeah, from a trading standpoint, okay, look at this falling channel. Good example of falling channels. You see this? Falling channels, bam, breaks towards the upside. If the preceding trend is bullish, subsequent trend, we're expecting bullish as well. But at the same time, this could also be a squeeze. So we need more information before coming to any conclusion for Grass. Virtuals protocol. Virtual against USD. We look at it on Gate. Here we are for virtuals. This is a cup and handle. Cup. And then there's like a handle. It is handle. Up. Boom! Broke out. So yeah, this is correcting right now. Yeah, this was a squeeze. Lower highs, higher lows, breakout. Cup and handle, breakout. Anything for us to work with? No, nothing much. So, yep. ARKM against USD. Here we are for ARKM. Oh, we actually had a target over here, 73 cents. But we've already taken out this target. No, this target is high. So we're going to consider the 73 cents to be invalidated. So yeah, there you go. Anything for us to work with for ARKM? Nope. Squeeze? Maybe. But yeah, from a trading standpoint, ARKM is just a no-go. Golem against USD. Let's look at Golem. Ooh, super spike. Gate. Anything for Gate? Golem. Coinbase. Golem. Okay, look at it on Binance. Oh, so for Golem, we actually had a target, which we acquired way back in March. April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. 8 months ago, we had this target, 290 and 480. So I think Golem is going to do pretty well, in my opinion. And if anything, I would assume that this is a wave 1. We're almost completing wave 2. Wave 3 is usually the longest, never the shortest. So we could be heading towards, hopefully, $10 from here. We're at 58 cents. We see signs of life, which is great. So even if we were to make a move for Golem, we'll have to wait for a retrace first. We're not going to rush in just like that, right? This in itself is also like an ABCDE, right? And from a giant perspective, something like a very big cup and handle, right? And then there's something like a squeeze here. To be honest, right, I suspect that we're going to have something of a cup and handle as well over here. That's my suspicion, a consolidation around this area. And we're kind of correcting at the moment, so that's Golem for you. But Golem's future, in my opinion, is pretty bright towards the upside. So 50 cents compared to like, I don't know, $5, yeah, this would be a 10x. So that's Golem for you. LPT against USD. Here we are for live peer. Anything for live peer? Nothing much. Could live peer go ahead? Yeah, of course we could. This would be awesome as well, right? Establishing a potential ABCDE, right? Potentially. But as it stands, yeah, nothing much from a trading standpoint. TRAC. Here we are for TRAC. TRAC. Oh, TRAC on Coinbase. Okay. It's a little bit over the place, all over the place. So yeah, nothing much else to work with. So yeah, the one with a bright future is actually Golem. Right, because we have targets for Golem towards the upside. High targets. So yeah, there you go. All right, hope you guys have a great Tuesday ahead of you. See you in the next one.